Okay, now let's go to the elif here, and let's do it with the result, and we can see here in the pseudocode. So here after result we put if, right, open close, then we put elif open close, and then we put else open close. So what is the first condition? Is our result is greater than 10, and here you will see an error that we are doing here. So cout the value is greater than 10. Let's copy this. So here the condition will be result greater than 20, and there's an error here. Okay, and inside we're gonna put cout the value is greater than 20, and any other condition will be here, other values. So here we see we have the same code from here, and I will show you what is the error. So here, if our value result is greater than 10, it will print this, greater than 20 is this. But I told you that it will evaluate this one. If this one is true, it won't check any of the other ones. So what happened? Let's say result is 30. 30 is greater than 10, yeah, it will go here, but it will never go here. So here we need to swap it. So let's just do an example so you can see. So here, and let's make the multiplication to be 30 multiplied by 10. So it's saying the value is greater than 10, as you can see here is entering the first one. So we need to swap this one to 20 and this one to 10. So in this case we are evaluating first 20, so it is 30, of course is greater than 20, but it is less than 20, it will come here. So let's say 15. So let's try make it 15. Multiply by 5, let's try 3 5. So the value is greater than 10. Is greater than 20? No. So it go to the next condition, is greater than 10? Yes. So that's why we get this output here. So let's try the last one, and the last one is another value. So 1 1, let's put 1 and then 1. So the result is other values. So you check is greater than 20, no. Is greater than 10, no. So any other values, run this one, this line. So this is how it works, the else, if else. So I will show you now with another language, Java or Python. So let's continue.